Hello, my name is Oron from the company Defiant, and we're aiming to streamline semiconductor design. We're doing various things about it. I'm introducing something that's called Defiant Remote. And we're trying to look at various questions as how quickly can we start first design from scratch, and how can we share a project with others without having dependent on all those dependencies, and how we can collaborate among peers using different systems, and I can just share products, or I can have multiple projects on the same system that has various dependencies. There are various not so good solutions for my concern. So a Docker-based solution involves dealing with containers and many different kind of container tool combination and different versions of tools. And I can also install everything locally, assuming my system supports all the relevant tools. But what if I have various versions of the tools, how I switch between them? Again, we get into more and more just finding the proper way to just start our work. What we want to avoid is non-solutions. Okay, we don't want to give away the fish. And we want to avoid something that's similarly like teaching how to fish, but in a bucket. We want to teach in the entire open source ocean. So what we came up with is kind of an integration between SSH and RDP and file sync and the cloud and various things together to bring you a local work feel, but using the entire global cloud for all the tools that you heard about them today and will hear about them tomorrow. And you can have all open source tools just integrated together in the cloud. So if you're interested in using it, join the beta. Thank you.